yung kulay. Siguro mga medium brown lang. Not too masyadong light na blonde.
Yes. I love you, Red. I love you, Red. I love you, Red.
Sige.
When marimba rhythms start to play.
Ano natin ang paraan ng kulay mo?
Oo nga, yung baho tignan. Sino? Langaw. Di ba may lapel ka? Pwede tayo mag-usap. Yeah, may karapatan tayo mag-usap ngayon, ibig sabihin. Yeah, may lapel. Ano na buko kayo?
Napanood ko kayo ng isang one night na yung nag-aano kayo, yung ganun gana. Nilaline up ko siya.
Mukhang tanga na. Nakakatawa ko nung pinagsasabi ko. Ititrim ako. Hi, Chan! Ang hot naman ng hair natin ngayon. Yeah.
Ganda naman ang bagay.
Wow! Patingin po ng mga hair natin. Magugupit at sila.
Ulol! Mamamatay na ako pag ako... My hair is my crown.
Alam mo, meron dito ang gaganda ng mga sa lalaki. Ito bagay ito kay Igan.
Kainis, no?
Be, ako din, be. Kahit yung maliit lang. Di kayang magtapat ko.
Hatiin ko to. Baka hindi pa kumakain. Yeah. Yung plastic pa, o. Sisort ko lang.
Don't think so much. Let your heart decide. True to your heart. You must be true to your heart. Set the hands apart.
Ako hindi ko makakita ng maliit eh. Nati ko lang to sa akin.
Heart can tell you no lies. And when you're true to your heart, I know it's gonna lead you straight to me. Someone you know is on your side can set you free. I can do that for you if you believe in me. Why second guess what feels so right? Just trust your heart and you'll see the light. True to your heart, you must be true to your heart. Slap the hands apart and baby shower you with love. Open your eyes, your heart can tell you no lies. And when you're true to your heart, I know it's gonna lead you straight to me. No, it's true. Your heart knows what's good for you. Let your heart show you the way. No, it's true. You'll see you through.
So kaya ito lalagay?